Hello students, we are going to see tutorial number 1. There are 10 questions in tutorial number 1 on the topic matrices. So we had completed module number 5 matrices in previous days. So let's see question number 1. Question number 1 is from eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So question number 1 says that find eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the following matrix. Matrix is given to you like in the first row is 2 1 1, in second row 2 3 2, in the third row 3 3 4. So this is the matrix and we are going to find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of this matrix. So we have completed the point eigenvalues and eigenvectors, in which we have so many examples. So by using that theory we are going to see how to solve this question. Now question number 2 is find eigenvalues of adjoint of A where A is given to you. So for this question you need to solve for eigenvalues of A. Then you have to remember the formula for eigenvalues of adjoint of A. So easy one. Now third one, verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem and find A inverse for A is equal to 1 4 2 3. So Cayley, you have to remember statement of Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Okay, you have to find characteristic equation and substitute. Instead of writing the eigenvalue, you have to write a matrix in that equation and solve for A inverse. Now see fourth question. Is the matrix A diagonalizable? If so, find diagonal form in the transforming matrix where A is given to you. So first row is 2 1 1, second one is 1 2 1, third one is 0 0 1. We have to prove whether it is diagonalizable or non-diagonalizable by using eigenvalue. So you have to write a characteristic equation of this matrix and solve for that solution, and you have to remember when the matrix is diagonalizable or non-diagonalizable. And diagonal matrix or diagonal form is nothing but a matrix having eigenvalues on diagonal and rest all 0, and transforming matrix is nothing but the matrix obtained from eigenvectors of a matrix. Okay, so you have to solve this question. Now see fifth one, show that the following matrix is similar to diagonal matrix. Okay, that means you have to write a characteristic equation of this matrix, then for the eigenvalues, okay, and then the diagonal form. Okay, so let's see question number 6. If A is equal to minus 1 4 2 1, then prove that 3 tan A is equal to 8 tan 3. As we have seen that function of a square matrix, so this is like f of A is equal to f of d m into f of d m inverse, like that. Okay, so if A is equal to 0 1 minus 1 0, then find e raised to 80. So this is also a problem like this. So problem number 6 and 7 are very much similar to each other. Question number 8 is, if A is equal to 2 3 minus 3 4, then prove that A raised to 50 is equal to minus 149 minus 150 151. Okay, so this is also a question of function of square matrix. Question number 9 is, show that A is equal to 7 4 minus 1 4 7 minus 1 minus 4 minus 4 4 is derogatory. So this is about derogatory and non-derogatory of a matrix. Now question number 10 is, show that A is equal to 1 0 0 1 minus 1 0 1 0 minus 1 is derogatory and find its minimal polynomial. So all these questions are related to the points that we had already completed in the module number 5. So you are advised to solve these questions on the paper that you are provided in the stationery. Okay, assignment paper. So you have to complete this tutorial within a week, and next week on Friday we are going to see this tutorial, and uh, comes for second tutorial. So so I hope you will be comfortable to solve these questions, and if you have any doubt, if you have any query in this, so you can